Yo people, what's going on? It's your boy Levette from Strong Body Cleaners. Today we have a BMW 2 Series. This one needs a full detail. There's broken glass in the car, a lot of grime on the panel. I'm gonna put some photos up so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, we're gonna knock this one out. The weather's a bit bad, so we're trying to get this one going because I'm not trying to get caught up in the rascal at Rien. But yeah. I'll put some videos in that of the detail. Please subscribe. There's a lot of you people that on my YouTube but don't subscribe. Subscribe now, man. Subscribe, bro. Over and out. Whyyy. Wheels are done, pre-washes on, as you can see. So now I'm gonna two method bucket wash, as you can see there. And yeah, the rain is just bugging me. Ceramic wax on the car. Look at the car, it's bleeding off. Look at that. Look at that. Ceramic wax on the car. This is what happens when you do shit correctly. Look at that. It's not even 50% done. This is just washed. But this is what happens when you wash it correctly.